Hi, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your iPhone screen with audio at the same time. The first step is to pull down the control center. If you don't see the screen recording button, you need to add it first. To do that, go into Settings, open the control center, and from there you can add different options. Find screen recording and enable it. Once it's added, the next time you pull down the control center, you'll see a round recording button. Now it's time to start recording. Just tap that button once. Your iPhone will immediately begin recording everything you do on the screen. The best part is that your voice is recorded automatically as well, so you don't need to turn anything else on. This means you can explain what you're doing while showing it on your phone. For example, you can make a tutorial or show a friend how to change a setting step by step. Everything will be saved with both video and your voice. When you're finished, simply pull down the control center again and tap the same round button to stop recording. The video will automatically be saved in the Photos app. From there, you can open the video, make sure the sound is included, and then share it anywhere you want, whether it's WhatsApp, Telegram, or any other app. And that's how you can easily record your iPhone screen with audio without needing any extra apps.